Okay guys, I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to change the spark plug in your small engine equipment, generators, you know, hedgers, edgers, lawnmowers, any small equipment. It's pretty much the same concept. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull off your spark plug connector and just pushed onto your spark plug. You just pop that off. Second thing you're going to do, get yourself a socket, spark plug remove socket. I got 13/16. I believe this is my 1/2 inch ratchet. Put that on there. And just remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just loosen that up. Alright, you're going to take your spark plug out. In my case, mine wasn't starting so well, so spark plug's been there since I got it. I like to clean out the inside, just around the edges. Normally use a rag, but for today's purposes, because I don't have a rag with me, I just stuck my finger in there. It's not that dirty, at least mine. So I just tighten up the new spark plug. It's about hand tight. Put my ratchet on there. Remember righty tighty. Give it a little turn. Not even a quarter. Just so it's snug. And that's it. Push your spark plug connector back on. And voila, you've changed your spark plug.